Have you ever wondered how the simple act of breathing keeps us alive? How does this invisible process provide the fuel for every cell in our body? Today, we're going to unravel the mysteries of the respiratory system, an intricate network that works tirelessly to keep us going. Imagine an elaborate highway system, but instead of cars and trucks, it's filled with air. That's a simple way to picture our respiratory system. It's a complex structure of airways, lungs, and blood vessels that work in harmony to keep our bodies functioning at their best. At its most basic, the respiratory system's job is to get oxygen into our bodies and get rid of carbon dioxide. This system starts with the nose and mouth, our body's air intake vents. The air we breathe travels down a tube called the trachea, or windpipe, which then splits into two bronchi, each leading to a lung. But the journey doesn't stop there. The bronchi branch off into smaller tubes called bronchioles, like a tree spreading its branches. At the end of these bronchioles, we find tiny air sacs called alveoli. It's here where the magic happens. Each alveoli is surrounded by a network of tiny blood vessels or capillaries. Oxygen from the air we breathe passes through the alveoli walls into the blood, while carbon dioxide, a waste product from our body's cells, passes from the blood into the alveoli. From there, it's exhaled out of our bodies, completing the process. But the respiratory system is more than just a series of tubes. It's also a protective system. The nose filters incoming air, trapping dust and other particles. The bronchi and bronchioles are lined with mucus and tiny hairs called cilia. These hairs move in a wave-like motion, pushing mucus and trapped particles up and out of the lungs. Our respiratory system is also intimately connected with our circulatory system. The oxygen we breathe in is carried by our blood to every cell in our body, while the carbon dioxide we breathe out is removed from our body, keeping our cells healthy and functioning. We've journeyed through the highways of our respiratory system, from the air intake vents of our nose and mouth, down the windpipe, through the bronchi and bronchioles, and into the tiny air sacs of the alveoli. We've seen how oxygen and carbon dioxide are exchanged and how our respiratory system works to protect us from harmful particles. We've also discovered the crucial link between our respiratory and circulatory systems, a partnership that ensures every cell in our body gets the oxygen it needs, while removing the carbon dioxide it doesn't. The respiratory system, a marvel of natural engineering, keeps us alive and well. It's a testament to the intricate and delicate balance that exists within our bodies, a balance that allows us to live, breathe, and thrive. So the next time you take a breath, take a moment to appreciate the incredible system at work.